YouTube. I hope y'all caught NFP, brand new week, new month. I think I am gonna trade this month because I haven't been trading January, but I've been keeping up with the markets and what's going on. But besides that, today we're gonna look at a few currencies and pairs, see what happened after NFP on Friday, and we'll see from there. So we're gonna start off on the 4 hours. I'm just gonna remove the drawings quick. As I said before, I'm explaining what I'm saying. So this video might be long, but I'm gonna try and just be quick. So trend lines for guidance, as you can see, it's an uptrend. On the 4 hours, it's an uptrend. I'm just gonna put them letters, and I'm gonna mark lower lows or like important key areas such as these and these. So on the 4 hour, it's in a state of some kind of consolidation, but I'm gonna dive in that 1 hour because there's more opportunities in the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, I'm gonna mark this area here because it's a support, as y'all can see, and I'm gonna mark this area as well because it is a resistance on the 1 hour. I'm gonna dive into that. The markets are starting to make sense. Now it's starting to become more clear because time is flying, new month, etc. Whereas Jan is like the movement was weird and all that. So for us30, what I am gonna wait for is, this is easy, as you could see. I don't have to look for long and all that, but let me just dive into that 1 hour to look for. Okay, so what I am gonna wait for on us30 is and I'm kind of rushing here to not make the video long, but what I am gonna look for is for it to break above here. If it does break above here, then I'm gonna enter, but if it doesn't, I'm probably not gonna enter. If it breaks here, it gives me that retest and goes down, I'm gonna enter, sell. That's the only position I'm gonna sell. If it breaks below here, gives me that retest or some kind of place to put my stop loss properly, like in this area of consolidation or in this area of support and resistance, and goes down, that's when I'm gonna enter. But if it does break here, regardless of if it gives me a stop loss, a perfect place to put my stop loss or not, I am gonna enter because I think I'd be risking a few pips, not a lot, because if it does, I'm probably gonna put my stop loss right there, and my TP would be all the way here. And if it does end up breaking this area as well, you'd aim for this area. So if it breaks here, gives you that retest, and you put maybe a TP here, TP2, but if it doesn't, just expect it to break below that support, give you that retest and go down. So now we're gonna look at German. Do this quickly, remove the drawings, mark those areas. I'm just gonna mark this area as well. Dive into that 1 hour just to see what's going on. I don't know, I'm thinking of stopping doing these videos and venturing into something else, or just taking a break, but we'll see, man. Then I'm just gonna mark this area right here. There is some kind of support and resistance area right here. if I mark it, I'm sure you guys are probably gonna see it. It's not clear on the 30-minute, but I'm sure it is on the 1 hour. Yes, it is. So as I can see here, resistance, support, and it's been playing around here. The pattern isn't clear, but we are gonna use it. So I'm just gonna, let's see if we can draw some kind of trend line. Let's go. So with this ger30, what I am gonna wait for is confirmation as I did, or as I said for us30. What I am gonna wait for is for it to either break below here, give me that retest and go down, or break above here and just go up, or give me that retest and go up. And if it doesn't give me a retest going up, if it doesn't give me a retest going up, I am probably gonna enter regardless and put maybe my stop loss right here. But even so, if it doesn't give me but this is a lot of pips though. I'll see what I do with it, but I know if it does break it, it's most likely to go up because it's been playing around this area for a while now. So if it does, it's going to give you a very strong, what I hope for is that it gives you a very strong bullish movement to the upside. So, and if it doesn't break above here or give you that retest going down, I am going to enter regardless, because I know it is gonna go down. I know it is gonna go down if it does break here, because this is some kind of support. It's maybe I can call it a 5-minute support or so, because as you can see, man, it's been consolidating between the same area for a while now. It hasn't passed this key level right here, and it hasn't passed this small support right here. So what I am hoping for is that it breaks below this level or above this level and goes up. Then our TPs would be maybe here and here. So yeah, we're gonna look at the last thing we're gonna look at today. I think I'll also wanna look at USD, but we'll see. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna mark this area right here. So it's an area of the support and resistance, and I am gonna mark this area right here too, because it is an area of support and resistance. And then there's a area here, but since the market is here, I'm just gonna look to profit, so what I am gonna wait for on what's this, USD, on AUD, I mean, some kind of retest to the upside. As you can see, it broke out here and it's been going down. So as the market opens, I'm expecting it to the bearish volume to just become less and less, the bearish volume to just lessen and for it to give me that bullish, because the market, as much as yes, the market has been going down here, the market has to gain some volume to the upside now, because as y'all can see, the candles are lessening here, they're becoming smaller and smaller, whereas this was huge as hell. So what I'm expecting for this is maybe for it to do this, come back here, give me some sort of resist and go down, or maybe I don't know what's gonna happen from here, because I can't say there's a level of support and resistance within this consolidation area. So it might do anything from here, like breaking above here and just but what I am hoping for is that it gives me a retest on this area right here and goes down. Then I'd enter, put my stop loss right there, and I wouldn't be risking a lot of pips maybe like 20, my TP right here. The ratio is crazy though, because you'd be risking 20 pips to gain 50, which is worth it. Or if it doesn't give me that retest, I'll just wait for it to maybe come all the way down here, then see what happens from this area. Maybe it might go up, or maybe it might pass, give me that retest. No. But I wouldn't enter from this area right here, because I don't know where it would be going. It might I might enter a sell, then it takes me out, hit my stop loss, then takes me out, and the ratio is just not making sense. I'd be risking 27 pips to gain 43, which for me is not worth it. I'd rather go for like a 1.7 ratio. But yeah, the last thing I'm gonna look at now is eurusd. I'm just gonna remove the drawings. I'm gonna mark this area right here, and to be simple with y'all, with this, it's in consolidation area, as y'all can see. And with this, to be simple, I'm just gonna wait for it to come to this level. Honestly, I'm gonna wait for it to come to this level to see what's going on. But what I hope for is that it comes to this level right here. Sorry about that, because it's been giving me support and resistance, or it's been resisting this key level here, resistance right here, support right here. So what I am hoping for is that it comes all the way down here, gives me that resistance right here and goes out, or breaks below, gives me that retest and goes down. But we'll see what happens around this area. Hence I said, to be simple, I'm just gonna wait for it to come to this area to see what's going on before opening any trades. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. I know that is short.